as Fox 35's Matt Trezza explains, a lot of locals have very special memories surrounding this iconic building.
The Citrus Tower is a Clermont icon.
I think it brings memories to a lot of people who've been here for more than 20 years. And for those of us who are new, who never saw the citrus groves, it shows you some history.
The tower was built in 1956 and rises 226 feet above the city, visible for miles. It was designed as a monument to the local citrus industry.
I think its role is it's a window to the past.
This past September, a Colorado-based religious group bought the tower and started renovating it. They cut the ribbon this morning, opening it back up to visitors.
Our whole idea was to bring it back to what it was years and years ago.
Locals say the tower carries deep meaning for the people of Lake County.
I came through here first when I was 7 years old, when my grandfather was a truck driver delivering strawberries and tomatoes from Homestead. So my memories go long and wide without all this glass paneling, to protect us. We could just stand out here and have the wind blow in our face.
Visitors say it's great to be able to ride up the tower again for a commanding view of Central Florida.
I'm excited to see what it looks like inside. I haven't been in there maybe 6 months.
It lets people know that, while we are progressing, we still have that window to our past, and it's still very much a part of our community.
In Clermont, Matt Trezza, Fox 35 News.